Need to make text, icons, or photos easier to see on your Android phone? In this tutorial, I'll show you enable and use the built-in screen magnification feature. Whether you have trouble reading small text or just want to zoom in on specific parts of your screen, this accessibility tool makes everything much easier to view. Step 1. Enable screen magnification. Start by opening the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Depending on your device and Android version, you may see options such as Vision Enhancements, Visibility Enhancements, or Magnification. Open the menu that contains the magnification settings. Next, tap Magnification or Magnification shortcut. Turn the feature on using the toggle switch at the top of the screen. Once enabled, your phone will allow you to zoom into almost any part of the display whenever you need it. Note: menu names may vary slightly depending on your phone brand, Android version, or custom interface, but the feature works in a very similar way across most Android devices. Step 2. Choose your preferred shortcut. After enabling the feature, select how you want to activate screen magnification. You may see several shortcut options. Triple tap the screen, quickly tap the screen 3 times to zoom in or out. Accessibility button adds a small accessibility icon to the bottom corner of your screen. Tap it whenever you want to start magnifying. Hold both volume keys. Press and hold the volume up and volume down buttons together for a few seconds to turn magnification on or off. Choose the method that feels the most convenient for you. You can always return to this menu later if you'd like to switch to a different shortcut. Step 3. Start using screen magnification. Now it's time to use the feature. Activate magnification using your selected shortcut. Your screen will instantly zoom in, making text, images, and other content much easier to read. To move around the magnified screen, place 2 fingers on the display and drag in any direction. This lets you explore different parts of the screen without losing your zoom level. If you want to change the zoom amount, simply pinch with 2 fingers. Spread your fingers apart to zoom in further, or pinch inward to reduce the magnification until it's at a comfortable level. When you're finished, use the same shortcut again, such as triple tapping the screen, pressing the accessibility button, or holding both volume keys to turn magnification off. Screen magnification is especially useful for reading small text, viewing detailed photos, filling out forms, or helping users with low vision interact with their devices more comfortably. Hope this helped. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.